we have Dr. Bhavna here, and it's a pleasure talking to her. And as far as my knowledge goes, she's acquired 51 rank with AIMS. And what is the subject that you are pursuing now?
I'm doing my MD Obs and Gynae.
Obs and Gynae. And is that what you always wanted to do?
Not exactly, but I've settled in now.
Okay, that's nice. Well, beginning with your journey with IMS, we all look for a right partner to help us pursue our dreams, our goals. How did you really decide on IMS?
I joined IMS in Bangalore, that's where I'm from, and mainly it was because a lot of my friends were joining. We didn't really think about it much. So we all decided to join as a group, so at least if we fall asleep in classes, someone will be there to wake us up.
Okay. But did you really fall asleep? Were the classes that boring?
No,
No, you didn't. Did the faculties make it exciting for you, made it more practical for you, or was it like, those long lectures? How would you describe? How lively were the faculties?
Some of them were really good in that way. They used to crack jokes in the middle, or just give us a break between the studies to actually.
That monotony is
Yeah.
not built in. That's nice. And well, like you said, just because all your friends decided to join it, before that, had you not ever heard from didn't you really go out taking advice from your seniors?
Yeah, my seniors also. Actually, two of my seniors who were also very good in all these exams were also in AIMS. Both of them also went to IMS. So they had given me very good feedback about it.
But did you not really go back and see the track record in terms of that most of AIMS, when it comes to the first top 10 rankers, all PGI, they have been from IMS. Did you go through that or you didn't?
Not really. No.
Okay, you didn't go through. It was more of your seniors and of course your fellow mates who decided to go ahead. Well, coming back to, you said quite a few faculties would probably crack jokes and stuff like that. Okay, jokes apart, but how were you satisfied with these faculties, and were they always there at your beck and call, and every time you needed them and you needed help or you had a question, how happy were you with it?
Yeah, some of them were very approachable, and usually they used to come down only for 1 or 2 days, but quite a few of them actually stayed back after their classes to just answer our questions for about an hour or so. And that was very good because we usually pick up whatever we learn in that 1 or 2 days is the most. So that was really good.
But you had any other friends